Welcome to the enchanted realm of quantum mechanics, where particles bewitch with behaviors that defy our everyday logic. Imagine, if you will, a world where the rules you know are twisted by the spells of possibility. A particle can be here, there, and a bit of everywhere, all at once. This isn't a scene from a sorcerer's epic, it's the real-world magic of quantum superposition. Let's conjure up an image of an electron. In the classical world, it would be just a point circling an atom. Simple, right? But in the quantum world, it's a cloud of probabilities, everywhere and nowhere, until, like the most secretive wizard, it's observed. This quantum cloud dances across dimensions, existing in multiple states simultaneously. It's not choosing one location over another until it's measured. This act of measurement collapses its state, and like a character in a mystery novel finally revealing their true intentions, the electron picks a spot. But how does this happen? The mechanics are as mystical as they are scientific. At the heart of quantum mechanics is the wave function, a mathematical expression that uses probabilities to predict where a particle might be. But here's where it gets even more intriguing. Until a wave function is observed, all possibilities it contains are real, in a superposition of states. Consider Schrödinger's cat, that famous thought experiment. A cat, a flask of poison, and a radioactive source are placed in a sealed box. If an internal monitor detects radioactivity, a single atom decaying, the flask is shattered, releasing the poison, which kills the cat. Quantum mechanics suggests that until the box is opened, the cat is both alive and dead. Its fate a cloud of probabilities. Only when we open the box do we learn the cat's tale. Now, imagine applying this quantum behavior to computing. Quantum computers use these principles to operate on data with speeds and complexities that traditional computers dare not dream. They calculate probabilities with a wizard's flair, making them potent tools for unraveling everything from complex diseases to climate change forecasts. It's a realm where magic and science meet, casting spells that might one day cure diseases or even teleport us across space. So, next time you hear about quantum computers, think of them as modern-day wizards, casting computational spells faster than the blink of an eye. Have you ever seen water boil and freeze at the same time? Prepare to be bewitched by the surreal dance of the triple point, a magical moment where temperature and pressure conspire to create a spectacle of science that seems like an illusionist's trick. This isn't a fantasy. It's a rare and mesmerizing real-world phenomenon. In the enchanted world of thermodynamics, there's a special point for every substance, a spellbinding combination of conditions where it can exist as solid, liquid, and gas simultaneously. For water, this occurs at precisely 0.01 degrees Celsius and 611.657 pascals of pressure. Here, water doesn't choose between states. It embraces all possibilities, like a shapeshifter from ancient legends. Imagine a sealed chamber, a stage set for a magical performance, where water is both master and servant to the laws of physics. As we adjust the pressure and bring it down to the magical number, something wondrous happens. Ice forms, crystals spreading like frost under a winter moon, even as bubbles rise in a fervent boil. It's as if the water is performing its own alchemical ritual. This spectacle isn't just for show. It has profound implications for understanding the behavior of materials under extreme conditions. Knowledge that can lead to breakthroughs in everything from meteorology to how we preserve food. It's a reminder of how even the most common substances hide secrets that are as profound as any spell or charm. So, next time you boil water for a cup of tea, remember, under just the right conditions, that same water could also be ice and vapor, a trifecta of states coexisting in a delicate balance dictated by the laws of nature. The next time you feel indecisive, just think about water at its triple point. Even it can't decide what to be. And now, let's journey beyond our planet to meet some of the universe's most astonishing magicians, the tardigrades, or as they are affectionately known, water bears. These microscopic creatures wouldn't look out of place in a tale of extraterrestrial explorers, for they possess the fantastical ability to survive in the vacuum of space. Tardigrades are the Houdinis of the micro-world. These tiny beings, no larger than a speck of dust, can withstand temperatures from just above absolute zero to well above the boiling point of water. They can endure radiation levels that would be fatal to most other forms of life, survive pressures greater than those found in the deepest ocean trenches, and even live through the vacuum of space. Let's paint a picture. A tardigrade, floating in the cosmos, shielded only by its natural, almost magical ability to enter a state called cryptobiosis, where its metabolism nearly stops, and it dries out until it's practically indestructible. This isn't science fiction, it's scientific fact. These little spacefarers were part of experiments that exposed them to the outer space environment where they not only survived, they thrived. Why does this matter? Studying these microscopic marvels could unlock secrets to extending life in harsh environments, perhaps even paving the way for human exploration of other worlds. Tardigrades show us that life, much like magic, finds a way to adapt, survive, and astonish. So, the next time you gaze up at the stars, remember the tardigrades. In the vast theater of the cosmos, these minuscule creatures perform feats that remind us that sometimes reality can be as fantastical as our most imaginative dreams. As our journey through these enchanting scientific realms comes to a close, we're reminded of the profound beauty and mystery that science unfolds, from particles that exist in multiple places at once, to water that defies the conventional roles of boiling and freezing, to tiny creatures that can survive the vastness of space. Science offers us a glimpse into a world where the rules are different and the possibilities are boundless. These wonders are not just quirks or oddities. They are invitations to explore, to question, and to understand the magic that surrounds us every day. They challenge us to think beyond the ordinary, to dream about the potentials of what might be, and to appreciate the intricate tapestry of existence that science helps us to unravel. At Knowledge Nuggets, we believe that curiosity is the key that unlocks the magic of the universe. Each discovery, each fact, each story we've shared today adds threads to the ever-expanding web of knowledge that connects us all. And in this connection lies the true magic of science. It's not just about understanding the world as it is, but imagining the world as it could be. Thank you for joining us on this spellbinding journey. If you enjoyed this exploration into the magical side of science, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Spread the wonder and keep the flame of curiosity burning bright. Until next time, keep asking questions and seeking answers, for the world is full of mysteries waiting to be discovered. Remember, in the realm of science, magic is real and it's all around us.